Today, we're focusing on a machine that's generating a lot of buzz among DIY enthusiasts, scrapbookers, and object personalization fans, the Cricut Maker 4. Is it truly revolutionizing the crafting world, or is it simply a well-packaged marketing update? Are we dealing with a real evolution or just a cosmetic touch-up? We're going to break it all down together in detail. And if you're tempted, be sure to check the link in the description to see current deals or interesting bundles available. The Cricut Maker 4 retains the sleek and clean design that we already know from the Maker 3. In France, it's only available in a sage color, a soft and modern grayish green that can appear slightly blue depending on the light. The format is identical to that of previous models, with a footprint similar to a standard printer. However, be careful, you'll need to allow some space in front and behind the machine so that the cutting mat can slide properly without being obstructed. Inside, there's a well-designed storage compartment. It's ideal for storing blades, pens, precision tools, or a few small accessories that are frequently used. There is also a discreet groove on the top to place your smartphone or tablet, which is very convenient when following a tutorial while working on a project. Where it really gets interesting is in terms of performance. Cricut claims a cutting speed that is twice as fast as the Maker 3. And in practice, that's quite true. On a mat, the improvement is clear. Projects are completed much faster, without any loss of precision or quality. Whether it's for vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, or fabric, the cuts are clean and quick. Another noted point is that the basic set provided with the machine is more generous than before, which is perfect for beginners who want to start without having to buy a lot of additional accessories. Included are a black pen, a fine point, a light grip mat, smart vinyl, and smart iron-on, some sheets of cardstock, and a mini scraper. And if you opt for the all-in-one pack, you'll also get a tote bag, a trimmer, various types of paper and vinyl, a card mat, and much more. Enough to have fun from the very first days. In terms of compatibility, the Cricut Maker 4 remains true to the Cricut ecosystem. It accepts all the tools and blades already available for the older Maker and Explorer machines. You can use the rotary blade for fabric, the deep cut blade, and the knife blade for dense materials. The marking pen, the engraving tool for metal, the embossing tool, the wavy blade, the perforation blade. All the usual cutting mats are also compatible: light grip, standard grip, strong grip, fabric grip, as well as the smart materials. It can cut formats up to 12 feet long, which is about 3.6 meters, with the smart materials and up to 30 centimeters wide. All with surgical precision, including on complex materials like felt, foam, leather, or wood. In everyday use, the Maker 4 impresses with its versatility and robustness. It effortlessly cuts paper, vinyl, fabrics, felt, leather, wood as thin as balsa, and even aluminum sheets with the right tools. However, be aware that some materials, like wood, require up to 14 passes to be cut cleanly, which can significantly extend production time. And for now, a firmware bug prevents some wood projects from completing correctly, which can be frustrating at the time I'm recording this. Perhaps the bug has been fixed. This adds to another downside. Well known to Cricut users, the Design Space software, which is mandatory to operate the machine. It is sometimes slow, unstable, and poorly optimized, lacking fluidity. Some options are hard to find, and the overall ergonomics leave much to be desired. Fortunately, the Cricut community is very active, and there's an impressive amount of tutorials, tips, and ready-to-use guides available on YouTube, Reddit, Facebook, and other specialized platforms. So, is it really worth switching to the Cricut Maker 4? If you are a beginner or if you use your machine intensively, the answer is clearly yes. Its speed, compatibility with a very wide range of materials and tools, its versatile format, and cutting quality make it a powerful ally for all kinds of creative projects, whether you're an amateur or a pro. On the other hand, if you already own a Maker 3 and are satisfied with its performance, the upgrade isn't necessarily essential unless speed is a crucial factor for you. Aside from that, the differences are quite limited. In summary, the Cricut Maker 4 brings notable improvements, especially in terms of speed and ease of use. But it's not a revolution either. Nevertheless, it remains one of the best cutting machines on the market today, whether for creative hobbies or a small professional activity. If this presentation was helpful to you, feel free to use the links available in the description. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Leave a comment to share your thoughts. Also, feel free to like the video if you found it helpful. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.